Hey, welcome Auto Magic Adventures. This is Brian. Today, I'm not out on the river doing any fishing. I'm not doing anything funny. When I was at the little sports show they had for the addicted guys up in Tigard, I bought this. So it's a little sinker maker, and basically it gives me what I don't know what they're really called. I call them pancake weights. Just little flat discs. So they got them in a 4 and a 3 and a 2. And so the idea is that on this side, you put the little hook in there like you're gonna, that's what you'd actually hook into with your main line to the sinker. Put those in these little spots. And then, you don't do them like that. Do them like that. And then you get this, basically you heat up some lead and you shut this, and then you hold that and then you pour the lead down these little holes, and obviously you got to heat the lead up so it's totally melted, and then it just pours nice and easy. And then from there we'll see what happens next. I'm learning as I go. All right, so today we got Jeff with me. He's gonna show me how to heat up this lead. We're basically using just a typical crab cooker setup. It looks like it's kind of getting warmed up. So what do you got here? Tell me about this.
I've got a big pot. I think it's a stainless pot that we picked up a long time ago, and a ladle. And this is kind of a strainer, so that if we've got lead that might have paper or other junk in it, once it's all melted, you can kind of strain this stuff out. Then you're all ready to use your ladle and scoop and dip into.
So this container is about half full of lead. It's going to take a while to get this all the way heated up and melting. Hope you enjoy watching this. Hopefully it turns out good. So you can probably tell just by looking at my shirt that I've got custom sleeve lengths. This side's a little shorter than this one. It's just one of my lucky hunting shirts. Tell me in the comments if you know why my sleeves are different lengths. Alright, so it looks like we're getting fairly liquefied in there. Try to stir that up just a little bit. Yeah, there's a little bit of impurities on the top.
Found that if the molds are really cold, sometimes you'll get, like, you won't get a complete seal around the eyelets. So kind of nice to have them a little bit warmed up. I might put them near the edge of this a little bit. And we'll get ready to pour, and then once it gets warmed up, future ones are pretty good, but after you empty the first pouring out, you want to be careful.
So we're not sure, maybe somebody out there watching this can tell us. We're not sure if there's anything harmful as far as vapors or anything that might come off of this lead as we're cooking it. Hopefully there's no issues with that, but we are doing this outside, open air, just to make sure that we're taking a little bit of precautions. Let us know in the comments if you know like anything specific we should know about for future stuff. Okay, we're going to use the dipper. Is that the big dipper? Alright, so pour number one, we just got it. Does it feel that much heavier?
Yeah, I'd say about 15 ounces heavier.
Give or take a half ounce, probably because of the spillover. Oh, look at that, guys. That's pretty cool.
And then take a side cutter and snip that off.
Alright, so again, don't forget the eyes. If you don't do it right, then you won't have anything to hook onto. This is a, are they called dies? Or are they called molds?
I call them a mold.
Molds. Oh, it's heavy. I didn't realize how heavy that would be. Alright. Wow, I couldn't believe it. Like when I tried to lift this thing out, it felt really heavy. It was like a huge heavy duty, because it's all lead and it's super heavy. You're like, duh, yeah. Okay, so now we open it. Golly. That's pretty great.
Take those caps and put them back in the pot.
Alright, so we're gonna make up a bunch more. When we're all done, I'll take a little video of all of them laying out all cleaned up and ready to fish. I noticed that when I grabbed it with my non-glove hand, if I touched the metal, it got pretty hot. How you like that? That's pretty fun. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't yet. Hey, by the way, you guys are doing great. Appreciate all the people watching all my videos. As far as YouTube's concerned, they are saying that I'm doing a great job for how much time's being watched. I do need more subscribers. That's kind of my weak point, is not enough subscribers. So if you already subscribed, you do me a favor and try to share it with some of your friends. See if you can get them to subscribe. That'll really help me be able to keep doing this. I'll do a quick final video when we're all done and they're cooled off and we can mess with them. All right, so this is just a big chunk of lead. It's got a little bit of paper or whatever it is on there. It's all gonna get burnt off. So we're gonna put that in there just to show you how quickly it melts down. And then you can kind of see what happens to that paper on the thing. So we'll just kind of roll it in like this. Whoa, that's awesome! Man, that's stinky though.
Yeah.
That is stinky. Not just paper. Scoop all that paper out of there. That's cool. The paper doesn't mix with it at all. kind of fun. We got lead balls. We got these little donut weights. Here's again the forms that we use to make them, and then the round ones for the lead balls. Well, like I said in all of my surf perch videos, these number 2s are probably my favorite. I've used 3s before. They're just a little bit heavy unless it's really heavy duty ocean surf. Never used the 4s for surf perch, but I might try it just for fun. So anyways guys, appreciate you guys checking out the little video, the little quick how-to on how to pour your own lead. I imagine it's a lot cheaper. It's really cheaper for me because my brother just lets me have some lead once in a while, but he got a whole bunch of it somewhere really cheap. It's a lot easier than paying prices in the stores. Sometimes you have to pay $3 to $5 just for a couple of those. So it's nice. It's kind of fun. It's a little fun adventure, a little fun activity to do. For me, it's a little bit more rewarding if I make something that I catch fish on versus just buying it out of the store. So anyway, thanks for watching.